This is not good. Shubham Maheshwari there? Shubham Maheshwari? Shubham Maheshwari not there. Shubham Maheshwari?
Yes, sir.
आवाज पहुंच गई आपके पास? क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का आंसर बताइए। हेलो, हाँ बताइए। Yeah, Shubham Tripathi. It's very. This is not good. So anyone can tell me the answer? Anyone? Anyone tell me the answer?
So 960.
Yeah. 1.
960.
960. Perfect. Very good. 960. This is the value of Z star, and this is the max case now. The max Z, and max Z. And your x1 star is equal to 3, and x2 star equal to 6. Is it correct one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So there are some special cases. Some special cases are there. So what are the special cases? The special cases are, this is the kind of this, we call it infeasible solution. Infeasible solution will exist. इसको डिस्कस तो नहीं किया मैंने अभी ग्राफ पे. एंड देन अनबाउंडेड सॉल्यूशन डिस्कस किया था. अनबाउंडेड सॉल्यूशन मुझे लग रहा है डिस्कस किया है, आप लोग बता नहीं रहे हो.
सर ग्राफ पे नहीं किया इसने, आपका आपने डेफिनेशन बताई थी.
अच्छा, डेफिनेशन बताया. ओके, नाउ सो नाउ देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन. solve by graphical method. So graphical method से देखिए आप, these are the special cases for the graphical method. We have some special cases when you go for tabulated method or called the simplex and two-phase method and other methods. So here in terms of the minimum of Z, this is equal to 2x1 plus 4x2 and subject to constants x1 plus x2 is less than equal to 14. So now let me know anyone coming in the classroom or not, because I'll be happy there to teach in the classroom. Nobody is coming in the classroom. Okay. So 2x1 plus 4x2 subject to x1 plus x2 less than equal to 14. 2x1 1 minute, ये चल नहीं रहा है. कोई नहीं, मैं न्यू शीट यूज करता हूँ मैं यहाँ पे. So we have many problems. So I'm going to the new sheets. Okay, so there are special cases. Special cases. Number 1, this is called the infeasible solution. Infeasible solution. Then second is unbounded solution. unbounded solution. Fine. So the question is solve by graphical method. The question is minimize z equal to 2x1 plus 4x2 subject to constraints 2x1 plus x2 less than equal to 18, 2x1 plus 2x2 less than equal to x1 plus x2 less than equal to, okay, no issue, 14, x1 plus x2 less than equal to 14, 2x1 plus x2 less than equal to 8, less than equal to 2x1 plus x2 less than equal to 18, and 2x1 plus 2x2 greater than equal to 30, and x1 and x2 greater than equal to 0. Yeah, let me know who will give me the solution of this question. You just draw the curve, giving you 2 to 3 minutes, and find the conclusion. Then I will explain. So 12, 4, and 2.
The
solution doesn't exist. Why?
Because the first equation is x1 plus x2 less than equals to 14, and the third equation is x1 plus x2 greater than equal to 15. There is no common area.
Yes, there is no common area. Thank you, Vishwajit. Actually, there is no common area. So how to write this question? देखो, see, आप इसको draw करेंगे, है ना? इसको draw करेंगे, और draw करने के बाद, जैसे आपको दिखा देता हूँ मैं यहाँ पे. When you draw the graph of this equation, inequality constraints, this kind of the equation. So I call it. This is x1 and this is x2. So when you draw a line, so suppose I'm just going for 2x plus 14 now. So this is less than 14. Okay, so this is the 14 x1 x2. So of course this will be like 14 and 14. So this kind of the equation, this will be 14 and 14. This is the equation number 1. I call it equation number 1, equation number 2, and equation number 3. Fine. So similarly, because this is the 14 and this is the 14, because both will intersect at 14. Second equation is this is 2x1 plus x2. This is 18. So 18 and 10, right? So this will intersect. So this is less than sign. So its feasible region will be this side, right? This side. Fine. This side feasible region, this side. Okay. Now when you draw the equation second 2x1 plus x2, this will be like this kind of the equation it will be, right? And it will intersect here. This is equation number 2, and it will intersect here 18 and 9. This will be 18 and this is 9. So again it is less than sign. So its feasible region will be below this line, and below this line. Okay, no issue. Both are less than, so this will be the closed bound. But come to the third equation. So when you draw the third equation, this is 2x1 plus 2x2 is 13. So this will be 15. So it will be 15 to 15, I think. Yes, 2 common हो जाएगा. तो ये 15 से 15 आएगा, है ना? ये 15 से ऐसे आएगा 15. मैं लाइन ड्रॉ करता हूँ. ये 15 से 15 आएगा, है ना? So यहाँ तक तो नीचे था उसके feasible region. When you draw the feasible region, this is of the greater than sign. So what is its feasible region? Above this line, above this line. So two inequality constants saying that the feasible region is lie this side and one is this is. So there is no close bound. That is there is no common. They are the feasible region. These are the feasible region. They are the feasible region. But there is no common feasible region. Feasible. We have to give the justification. Feasible region which satisfies all the constraints, right? Because different feasible region will satisfy the different inequality constraints. Hence the solution is infeasible solution, or there exists a infeasible solution. Getting my point? This is not infeasible. There exists a, the solution of the given problem is infeasible. Okay, same as there is a one problem also I am writing here. So is there any doubt? Anybody has doubt? Full of doubt? No. Okay, fine. So अटेंडेंस एक बार ले लेता हूँ मैं यहाँ पे एक सेकंड के लिए होल्ड करके, क्योंकि मैंने क्या अटेंडेंस शीट ले रखी है, बना रखी है. जो लोग रहेंगे उन्हीं का अटेंडेंस लगाऊंगा. पहले मैं क्वेश्चन लिख देता हूँ, फिर मैं अटेंडेंस लगाऊंगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर पहले, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. इसका भी देखिए आप. दिस इज द मिनिमाइज z इक्वल टू 3x1 प्लस 5x2 subject to constants minus 3x1 plus 4x2 less than equal to 12. 2x1 minus x2 greater than equal to minus 2. 2x1 plus 3x2 is greater than equal to 12. x1 less than equal to 4. x2 greater than equal to 2. And x1 x2 greater than equal to 0. एक बार इसको ट्राई करिए, तब तक मैं अटेंडेंस ले लूँ आप लोगों की. Okay, Shubham Maheshwari there, na? Today is 10. Shubham Maheshwari present. Aniket?
Yes, sir.
Aniket
Present.
Kumar. So, okay. So you have joined late, eh? Fine. Yes, Shuri is there. आपने लेट से ज्वाइन किया है. Yes, Shuri is not there. Then Aditi Pandey, she joined first. Devanshi, not there. Vanshika, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Drishika Jain, she's there. Shubhankar Sen, fine, thank you. Shubhankar Sen, not there. Sambhavi Mukherjee, present.
Yes.
Shubham Tripathi, yeah. Shubham Tripathi, present. Okay. Wasim, present. Anubhav Bagri, present. Vishwajit, present. Sarthak Dugar, not there. So they are absent. Fine. Okay, let me the answer of this question. It's a nice diagram that you will have. So again, it is a feasible solution or some solution we can have.
feasible solution infinite होगा क्या?
Feasible solution infinite कैसे होगा? Feasible solution शायद it should must satisfy all the constants. So whether when you put the value, will get the infinite value, or objective function is give the infinite value. Aniket, let me know the answer.
Trying.
क्या हुआ, तुम ट्रेन में बैठे हो या प्लेन में? इतना डिस्टरबेंस क्यों हो रहा है?
सर थोड़ा काम चालू है बाजू में.
You are in the hostel?
No sir. Sir, I will arrive little late. Hostel.
Vanshika, can you tell me beta, what is the answer? Vanshika Mordani.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is the solution, or what is the graph that what this equation represent, these constants represent? You have tried? You have tried or not? Let me know. Only yes sir means what? You are not supposed to give the answer, either you are trying or not. Drishika Jain. आप लोग रिस्पॉन्स करेंगे तभी तो पता चलेगा कि आप कर रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे हैं, कि कहीं प्रॉब्लम आ रही है कि नहीं आ रही है. अभी तो सिंप्लेक्स स्टार्ट करेंगे तो उसमें तो एक एक पॉइंट आपको बहुत चीज़ें पूछनी है ना, हमें बताएंगे हम आपको. हैं आप लोग रिस्पॉन्स नहीं करते हैं, आप लोग पता नहीं आप सेक्शन कौन से सेक्शन में मैथ्स पढ़ा है आप लोगों ने कि आप रिस्पॉन्स नहीं करते हो. मेरे क्लास में होते तो आप रिस्पॉन्स करना सीख जाते आप इजीली. So what I expect?
No feasible solution, sir.
No feasible solution. Or can we call it an infeasible solution? Is it an infeasible solution? Will you show me it's a graph? Just to draw the graph on the paper and then show me on your camera. Show me the graph. What kind of the graph you are getting for the this problem with the shaded region? You just shade the graph, shade the line below or up above the line, and show me. Anyone? Yeah, Aditi, can you show me? Aditi, not there. Anubhav,
हाँ जी सर, हेलो.
आप ग्राफ ड्रॉ किया आपने?
सर मैं अभी पॉइंट्स लिख रहा हूँ, मैं ग्राफ बना रहा हूँ.
अच्छा बनाइए, फिर जल्दी बनाइए, क्योंकि इसके बाद एक और ग्राफ मुझे देना है. X1 minus X3 is equal to सो आप लोगों को मुझे एक असाइनमेंट देना पड़ेगा। कुछ क्वेश्चंस को ग्राफ पेपर पे ड्रॉ करके पेंसिल से प्रॉपर शेड करके उसके पीछे उसका सोल्यूशन लिख के एंड देन यू हैव टू अपलोड इट एज ए PDF फाइल। ठीक है, if you are in the campus, so now then you come to me and then you may show me. So I am giving the question to draw this is the assignment 1, right? So I'm going to write the questions because you guys are not responding, so I have a tool to. Anyone have complete that question? Okay, no response. I will not ask again.
No solution sir.
नो सोल्यूशन। ठीक है, आप मुझे इसको भी मैंने होमवर्क में डाल दिया। मैं अभी आपको देता हूँ क्वेश्चन करने के लिए, चिंता मत करिए आप लोग। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 देखिए, यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन लिख रहा हूँ मैं, एंड दिस इज मैक्सिमम z इक्वल टू 5x1 प्लस 4x2, है ना, 4x2। आई विल सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन, देन आई विल आस्क, डोंट वरी। 2x1 minus 4x2, this is less than equal to 1, less than equal to 1, and 2x1 plus 4x2, this is greater than equal to 3, and x1 x2 greater than equal to 0. Now see, this is what is this question is, maximum z equal to 4 and 5 subject to 2x1 minus 4x2 less than equal to 1. So first I am going to take the point. So the first is what? Constant is 2x1 minus 4x2 equal to 1. This is equation number 1, right? So I have to take the point here, and this will be what? This is when you take the x to 0, x1 and x2, when you take the x to 0, then the x1 will be 0.5. But when you take x1, x2, when you take x1 1, the 1 or okay, okay, 1, so this will be 4 plus 1 5, this is 2.5. So this is all the positive value. Similarly, you can take 2x1 plus 4x2 equal to 3, this is equation number 2, and I just taking the point here, it's a positive value all, so you can take it x1 x2 0 0, so when you take x1 0, this is 3 by 4, तो ये कितना आ जाएगा 0.75, and when x2 is 0, this is 3 by 2, and this is nothing but 1.5. Fine, so I would like to draw the graph here and we'll check. देखिए यहाँ पे एक ड्रॉ करता हूँ, बहुत छोटा सा ग्राफ है, x1 and x2, highest point is 2.5, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 1, 2, and 3. So I'm just taking the point here, taking the blue color, 0.5 and 1, so x 0.5 and 1, this is the point. Then 2.5 and 1, 2.5 and 1, so this is the point. So when I draw the line, this will be like this, like this. This is equation number 1. Its value is actually, it is less than 1. So where the we can shade the equation, where we should shade, will you tell me? Will tell me where we have to shade it, whether above the graph or below
above the line. Above the graph, sir.
Above the graph, because this will satisfy, right? So this is your this line, according to this shows here the feasible region above the graph, right? Now come to the second line. This is 0 and 0.75, 0 and 0.75, this is the point, and 1.5 and 1.5 and 0, this is the point, right? So when I draw this line, okay, this line, so where we should shade the region again?
Below. Under the graph, under the line, sir.
Under the Under the line, because this is of the greater than sign. It is greater than sign, na? Here it is a greater than sign. The shaded region will be above this line. Above this line. So above this line, when you go for that, I call it is a feasible region. Fine. Feasible region. So what is your objective function? Yes. What is your objective function? अरे बाबा सामने लिखा हुआ है, आप लोग क्यों नहीं बोल रहे हो?
5x1 plus 4x2.
5x1 plus 4x2. This is of the maximization case. So if you have the feasible region here, so what is the maximum point? What is the value of x1 and x2 which maximize the objective function? Yes.
So infinite होएगा.
Infinite आएगा ना यहाँ पे, तो infinite यानी कि the value will goes to infinity. So this value there is infinite. Infinite means unbounded value. There is unbounded value, and which give infinite value of objective function. Therefore, the problem has, the given LPP has, unbounded solution. Unbounded solution. आपको मैंने डेफिनेशन भी लिखवाया था अनबाउंडेड सॉल्यूशन का. हमने ये कहा था उसमें, तो आप देखो, देखिए डेफिनेशन में कि इफ द लाइन पासेस through the third and fourth and second quadrant also, and the feasible region is unbounded, where the value of objective function makes the infinite value, then it is the solution is the unbounded solution. One question again I am writing here for effect. Any doubt? Anybody has? Any doubt? I have a doubt.
No, sir.
Okay, you don't have doubt, but I have doubt. Yes? Can I speak? I have doubt. Question number 4. Solve this problem. I'm writing this question. The question is maximum z equal to 6x1 plus x2, subject to constants 2x1 plus x2 greater than equal to 3, x1 minus x2 less than equal to 0, and x1 x2 greater than equal to 0. सॉल्व करके बताइए जल्दी से, और मैं आपके लिए क्वेश्चन लिखता हूँ. Yes.
So is the Z star 7?
Z star 7. You are getting the solution here. Okay, let me check. The question is 2x1 plus x2 greater than 3, x1 minus x2 less than equal to 0. So what is your feasible reason?
Oh, wait. नहीं सर अनबाउंडेड सॉल्यूशन आ रहा
अनबाउंडेड सॉल्यूशन आएगा, है ना?
यस यस
ओके, ये इस तरह से ग्राफ आएंगे, आप देखिएगा यहाँ पे ऐसे लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे ना आप लोग 0 0, बिकॉज ये स्ट्रेट लाइन हो जाएगा सेकेंड इक्वेशन, है ना? x1 माइनस x2 इक्वल टू 0 पे, तो आपका शेडेड रीजन ये आ जाएगा. अगेन दिस इज द मैक्सिमाइजेशन केस and the feasible reason, this is the feasible reason, this is unbounded, so z value goes to infinity, so this is unbounded solution. So I'm writing the question here. You have to draw these equations graph on the graph paper, and then you have to scan as a PDF file, and then you upload this file, है ना? तो मैं यहाँ पे उसको मैं क्रिएट कर दूंगा एज ए असाइनमेंट. चलिए, क्वेश्चन है solve the given LPP using graphical method, है ना? graphical method. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, इसको आप लोग अपलोड करना है. The question is maximum z equal to 3x1 plus 2x2 subject to 2x1 plus x2 less than equal to 2, 3x1 plus 4x2 greater than equal to 12, x1 and x2 greater than equal to 0. 2. Question 2, max z equal to 3x1 plus 4x2 subject to x1 minus x2 less than equal to 1, minus x1 plus x2 less than equal to 0. 3 इक्वेशन चाहिए मुझे, and x1 x2 greater than equal to 0. उसके बाद क्वेश्चन 3 is yes, maximize z equal to 10x1 plus 15x2 subject to 2x1 x2 less than equal to 26, 2x1 plus 4x2 less than equal to 56, x1 minus x2 greater than equal to minus 5, x1 and x2 greater than equal to 0. Question number 4, okay, max z equal to 2x1 minus x2 subject to 3x2, sorry, 2x1 plus 3x2, 4x1 plus 5x2 less than equal to 40, 2x1 plus 6x2 less than equal to 24, 3x1 minus 3x2 greater than equal to 6, x1 greater than equal to 4, and x1 x2 greater than equal to 0. Question number 5, max z equal to 3x1 plus 2x2 subject to minus 2x1 plus x2 less than equal to 1, x1 less than equal to 2, x1 plus x2 less than equal to 2, and x1 x2 greater than equal to 0. और आपके पास क्वेश्चन है लास्ट क्वेश्चन 6th question max z equal to 2x1 plus 3x2 subject to x1 plus x2 less than equal to 30, x2 greater than equal to 3, x2 less than equal to 12, x1 minus x2 greater than equal to 0, x1 less than equal to 20, x1 and x2 greater than equal to 0.
सर 6 क्वेश्चन के फर्स्ट कंस्ट्रेंट में वो 30 है 36 है सर
30 है
30
सो इसको आप सबमिट पीडीएफ ग्राफ ऑन ग्राफ पेपर ठीक है लेटेस्ट बाय फ्राइडे ठीक है फ्राइडे तक सबमिट करिए देन इन द क्लास विल डिस्कस ओनली 6 क्वेश्चन आई हैव गिवन
Sir, can you show the third question again?
Pardon?
सर एक एक
Sir, can you
क्वेश्चन
show the third question?
दिखाता हूँ एक एक क्वेश्चन दिखाता हूँ पहले 1 देख लीजिए ये 0 है क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में माइनस x1 प्लस x2 लेस देन 0 4 5